A. Alligator. A. Alligator. B. Bear. B. Bear. C. Camel. C. Camel. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. E. Elephant. E. Elephant. F. Flamingo. F. Flamingo. G. Giraffe. G. Giraffe. H. Hippopotamus. H. Hippopotamus. I. Iguana. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. J. Jaguar. K. Koala.
This old man, he
K.
played one.
Koala.
He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old
L.
man came
Lion.
rolling home. This old man, he played two.
L.
He played
Lion.
knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
M. Monkey.
This old man, he played three. He played
M.
knick-knack on
Monkey.
my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
N. Nightingale.
This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on
N.
my door.
Nightingale.
Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
O. Ostrich. O. Ostrich.
This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack,
P.
give a dog
Penguin.
a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man,
P.
he played
Penguin.
six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This
Q.
old man
Quail.
came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played
Q.
knick-knack
Quail.
in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
R. Rhinoceros.
This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my
R.
gate with a
Rhinoceros.
knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
S. Seal. S. Seal.
This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack,
T.
paddywhack, give a
Tiger.
dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old
T.
man,
Tiger.
he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
U.
This old
Urial.
man came rolling home.
U. Urial. V. Vulture.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
V.
The Muffin
Vulture.
Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
W.
Lane?
Walrus.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
W.
know the Muffin
Walrus.
Man who lives on Drury Lane.
X. Xray-fish.
Do you
X.
know the
Xray-fish.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin
Y.
Man who
Yak.
lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Y.
Yes,
Yak.
we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you
Tiger
know
shark.
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
Tiger
the
shark.
Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Blue whale. Blue whale. Dolphin.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
Dolphin.
had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here
Humpback
and
whale.
there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Humpback whale.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
Great white shark.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Great white shark.
Here and up, there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old
Orca.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Orca.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hammerhead
And
shark.
on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and up,
Hammerhead
here
shark.
up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Whale shark. Whale shark.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
Mako
had some
shark.
ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there.
Mako shark.
Old